What's up guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I've been gone for a minute, but here I am today bringing you guys another video. Listen, it has been a month since I haven't uploaded anything, but guys, bear with me, please bear with me. A lot has been going on, but I'm still here. So today I will be installing these butterfly locks that I received from an Amazon store. Of course, we're going to try it out. I'm going to tell you all about the hair, and I'm only going to tell you the truth because, hey, we are reviewing this here today, right? All right, so first of all, I must say this is the package that it came in. I got a crochet needle, and I also got a lash. So I'm gonna open it and show you guys exactly what is in there. So the hair comes in packs like these, and it's 6 of them in there. 6 of them. And I also got this lash. Nice, it looks nice. It's a 3D lash, by the way, by the same hair company, DUS. And they sent crochet needle as well, because clearly it's a crochet hairstyle. And also, you know, a little bit of accessory to add to it when you're finished. Clearly you can buy more accessories. It depends on how you want to accessorize your hair. So let me take out this hair and see what it looks like, feels like. Alright, because I actually never looked at it before. Okay, it feels nice. I'm not going to lie. It feels nice, and it already comes with the butterfly effect and everything, so you can already see what's going on here. Actually, me personally, I've never tried doing butterfly locks before, but as you guys can see in my previous videos, I have tried the faux locks, really. So I'm going to be trying the crochet method today, and I'm going to show you guys and tell you guys what I think about the hair, and you guys are going to see the outcome clearly. So this is what it is. Let me see how much strand comes on each bundle. This is what, 2, 4, 6, 8, 12. So we have 12 strands on each. So I was thinking about plaiting up my hair to do it, but I think plaiting it up might give me more work. So what I'm going to do is to corner it. Yeah, I'm going to corner it and then come back and show you guys how I did it. Alright, so stay tuned. Okay guys, so I went ahead and I did a little thing. You know what I'm just realizing? I have never done crochet hairstyle like this on myself before. I've always done it for other persons, but I've never done it for myself. So today is an actual first. But there's a first for everything, so I'm gonna go ahead and try to put them in now. I think I like this hair already. I'm not even gonna lie. I think I like this hair already. So we're gonna cut it so these can slide off. And of course, I'm gonna try by putting the first one right here. So because, as I said, I've never done this on myself before. I've always done it on other persons, and yeah, trial or failure, here we go. But we're going with success, right? We're going with success. Alright, so this is it. You see how the little stops there already? Something like this. So I'm going to find the hole right here. So alright, wait. You have 2 ways to put on crochet, by the way. One makes it bumpy, the other way makes it. Alright, let me see which way is which. You insert it like so. Then you pull it down and draw it. Yeah. Okay. Alright, I think I did this one perfectly fine. So there it is, guys. Do not mind the bumps in my face. A lot has been going on with my skin since lately, but I'm trying to treat it. So as soon as that finished, I'll show you guys if it worked, yes or no. But this is the first one. I think I'm liking this already because it's gonna be so easy to just go through and get it done. So I'm gonna do it row by row actually first. I like it. It's very stretchy and thing. But let me finish and tell you guys all about the hair and give you the link and all of them something here. Alright, so let me put in more here and I'll come back to y'all. No. Stop. Guys, I am not lying to you guys. This here is really nice. Really nice. I think it exceeded my expectations, by the way, because to be honest, I was feeling a little bit scared putting in butterfly locks because for me it always just too messy and I don't like messy. I like neat. So I decided that okay, I'm going to try it, you know, no harm in trying. And guys, I actually think I like this here. I like this here. And it's giving me a different look. It's giving me a different look and a different vibe. You know, like the Empress vibe kind of thing. Yes, I'm getting that vibe. But guys, this here is really nice and I'm going to give it a 10. I'm going to give it a 10. So guys, if you're interested in purchasing this here, go to DUS Store on Amazon and get this here. Actually, it comes with 6 packs and this was 5. So I have an extra pack leave. And of course, you know, we can use the extra pack in my hair if I decide to like freshen up the front or, you know, I have an extra pack of hair. So this here was good. I had no faults with it. You know, it's going to have a messy look because it's like, you know, passion twist butterfly. And it have that thing where you can, you know, see? Like this. Yeah. Oh, guys, I don't have on any makeup. This is just my eyebrows and the lashes that I got in the hair. Actually, the lash is good as well. Love that. So the hair overall is a 10 for me. So I think you guys should really get this because I think the going rate here in Jamaica to get butterfly locks, I believe it's $8,000. I think that's the going rate. But tell me what your hairdresser is charging in the comment section down below. Alright? So you guys can definitely do this style by yourself. So you'll be saving money. And you'll be saving time as well. So you know, you don't have to run out on the road. If you can't care your hair, get somebody that live close by or something. I don't know. To corner your hair, and I know you can do it, or you plait one, put it into the other one, put it into the other one, put it into that one, and that's it until you reach the end. So basically that's it for this video. Thank you guys for watching, and I'm gonna give you a minute to just look at my hair, guys. I actually like it. Oh, one more thing actually. If you realize now I'm wearing a side part with it, but I can actually wear it in the center as well if I feel like, because what I did was to make an X right here in the middle, so when I part it to the center, I'm not seeing the line going all the way back. Alright, so in order to not get that line going all the way back, just make an X right up here in the middle so you can have a center part, and if you're not feeling centerish, you can switch it to the side. Alright, I learned that from my cousin, by the way, and I think it was a good one. Like, I can wear it either way and it doesn't even look like crochet braids, if you know what I mean. Alright, so thank you guys for watching this video. I really hope that you enjoyed it and you will try this style. I will definitely put the link in the description for the hair below so you can purchase it on Amazon and thank me later. Okay, so guys, bye.